how is that possible to be able to be agile enough, like to find a customer, at the same time, like making sure that you have everything set up for the compliance?
Right. I mean, obviously it's challenging, right? Because it's a little bit of a clash in between different worlds. I mean, if you look at the the FDA regulation talks about design inputs, design outputs, verification, validation, and the iterative process talks about all those things and do them over and over again. So the way we looked at this was there's also one clause of the QMS, or the quality system, and the FDA regulation that talks about design change. So our approach was, when you go for your 510K and you do your development with the FDA, of course, talk to the FDA and explain what you're doing, but develop a minimum viable product that has all these things done right? You have the requirements, you have the verification, you have the validation. Put that in the hands of the customer if you can. And of course, it's regulated, so you have to wait for the 510K or do pilots. And then use the design change process. So in the design change process, basically, we use that to maintain compliance. So do that in a compliant way, but use the design change process as a way to iterate into your product. And the design change process allows you to change requirements, redo verification, redo validation. So we basically have implemented a process here where we're able to do releases